Are you locked out of your car or home and can't seem to find those lost keys? Let us come and save the day. There's really no need to look any further for the right locksmith, because at the end of the day, we realize that there are plenty of locksmiths to choose from, but the question remains, who's the best? You can rest assured that we will get the job done quickly and effectively. Our customers come from far and wide because of the quality of our service. So if you'd like to give us a try, then give us a call, mention this video, and we'll do our best to get you the best possible price.